To create a bootable USB stick using Android TV ISO, first let's download the ISO. Go to this URL, I'll have this link in the description below. Click on download latest version and your Android TV ISO download will start. Once the download has started, wait till this is finished. Once the download is complete, go to rufus.ie. Again, I'll have this link in the description below. If you are on Mac or Linux, you can go to balena.io. Again, I'll have the link for this too. So I'm on Windows, so I'll just go here, scroll down and click on the latest one. That is the first one here, and your Rufus will be downloaded. Once this is downloaded, just click on open file. We will use this to create a USB drive bootable. So I already have my USB device here. This 32 GB. Here you need to click on select and choose. Now in the partition scheme, GPT is selected. Select MBR instead. Now here you can give it any name that you want. Just write Android TV. Leave the file system and cluster size as it is and just click on start. If you get this warning, just click on OK. Again, click on yes. And now if you get the warning that all the data on your drive will be removed, it's because your drive will be formatted. So if you have any important files, just copy it somewhere else and then click on OK. And now finally your bootable ISO is being created. So after a while the installation will be complete. Once this is done, you can just remove the USB stick and then put it in your target device. If you are on laptop, you can restart your laptop and go to boot menu by pressing F12, F10, escape or delete, and then select the USB drive. For boot options, you can choose live CD or installation, and you can go ahead and follow the steps to install it on your system. If you want to see the whole installation process, let me know in the comments below. If you guys need it, I'll create the video for you.